Mary and Peter were heartbroken after losing their only son Michael in a tragic car accident when he was just 18 years old. The devastating loss left them struggling to find meaning in their daily lives. To honor Michael's memory and feel close to him, they made it a daily ritual to visit his grave, bringing flowers and speaking to him about their day. Months passed, and one day they noticed something unusual. A fresh red rose appeared on Michael's grave, though they hadn't placed it there. As days turned into weeks, this became a regular occurrence, with a new rose replacing the wilted one each time. Mary and Peter were puzzled and curious, but had no clue who was leaving these thoughtful gifts. Peter's curiosity soon turned to determination, and despite Mary's reservations about privacy and the cemetery's rules, he secretly installed a hidden security camera to capture whoever was placing the roses. After some time, the camera was confiscated by the cemetery supervisor following a complaint from others, but she sympathized with the grieving parents and secretly kept a copy of the footage for them. When Mary and Peter finally watched the video, they saw a mysterious figure dressed entirely in black, wearing oversized sunglasses that concealed her identity. The visitor quietly approached Michael's grave and laid down a red rose, but no clear details of her face were visible. Still, something about her seemed familiar to the grieving couple. Upon closer review of the footage, Mary and Peter realized with shock and disbelief that the woman was Noah, someone they hadn't seen or heard from in over 10 years. They had no way of contacting her, but decided their only option was to wait at the cemetery and hope to meet her in person. When Noah arrived carrying a single rose, the atmosphere was tense yet filled with anticipation. To the surprise of the cemetery supervisor who had been secretly watching from afar, instead of confrontation or anger, the meeting was filled with tears and embraces. The tension melted away as Mary called out to Noah by name, and Peter opened his arms for a warm hug. It was a deeply emotional reunion none of them had expected. Noah then shared the heartbreaking truth. She was Mary and Peter's daughter, who had run away as a rebellious teenager and cut ties with her family to start a new life. After Michael's death, she had quietly returned to visit his grave, unsure if her parents would accept or even want to see her again. Years of silence and separation had created uncertainty and pain on both sides, but Noah confessed how much she missed them and longed to reconnect and support them through their grief. The revelation brought both relief and joy to Mary and Peter, who had longed for their daughter's return. The story ends on a hopeful note as Mary, Peter, and Noah vow to rebuild their fractured family and keep Michael's memory alive together. They promised to never let anything come between them again and to cherish every moment they now share. This tale touches on the profound complexities of loss, forgiveness, and the resilience of family bonds. It shows how even in the darkest times, love can find a way to heal old wounds and bring people back together, offering a new beginning filled with hope and connection.